Hey there, hope you guys are having a good weekend. First of all, I would like to say thanks for all the subscriptions and everything. Thanks for liking the previous video and thanks for being this patient. I'm trying my best to upload as much as content I can. Today's tutorial is gonna be similar like what we did last time. All the materials are available on Patreon. Please go to my Patreon and check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join the Discord for further conversation. It's a new place where we all creators can come and talk about interesting things. So let's get started.
In today's tutorial, we are just gonna make sure we have we have chest armor, we have helmet, and we have pants, shoes, and probably arm armor, so we can equip all of them. And yeah, that's how our character is gonna look like. I know it doesn't look very perfect. You can see his legs are kind of coming out, but this is the constraint we have based on the mesh we have. I'm just using all the free stuff, but you guys are free to take it to the blender and do your own thing. So yeah, let's get started, guys. Repetition is the key. That's what once a wise man said. It's just the same thing which we did in our last tutorial. Let's go to our item BP. And in our item BP, we are just gonna create a child blueprint class. We will name this as pants. We'll name this as armor pants. ARMOUR armor pants. We'll save this. Then we are also gonna make a child blueprint of it. We will name this as what do I say? Let's say ARMOUR armor armor gloves underscore BP. Then we'll make another one. We will name this as, can we not name, we have armor boots, ARMOUR armor underscore BOOTS boots. That should do the job, I guess. So now we have armor boots, pants, and gloves. So let's do them one by one. So for the armor, so let's just add, like, for our armor boots, we are going to go here, and in our viewport, in our mesh, let's just find ourselves a boot. And we already have a boot. We are going to use our samurai. We are going to go to our static, we just have one. We are going to go to our character meshes, and for the boots we can use this one, but this is a skeleton mesh, guys, so we need to, don't worry. Now let's make this into a static mesh. To make them into static mesh, we are going to go to our this one and we'll just save it. So now what we're going to do, we're going to make a static mesh out of it. We are going to go to our Orochi and we are going to go to static mesh, and we'll just name this one as boots static mesh, and let's just create one. So yeah, this is all good. Now one static mesh is created. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go over here and add our static mesh. No, not this one. We are going to go to our Orochi samurai and go to our static mesh and just put it down over here like that, which is all good. Now we compile and save this. Then we go to our what's the next thing we have here? We have our why does it look so plastic? I don't know, never mind. So this is good. It's much better. Now we go to our gloves, and in our gloves, I think for gloves I have something interesting I want to add for myself. Maybe let's see. Let's go to our this blueprint. No, we're gonna go to our character mesh. Can we not add this whole thing? Just, or no, is it too much? You know what? For now, this would do the job. So let's just choose a character and mesh. We are going to select this, and we are going to make a static mesh out of it. We are going to go to our static mesh, and we'll name this as arms and gloves. arms and gloves. gloves gloves underscore sm, and this is one we have. And the last one, we are gonna go to our armor gloves, and we're just gonna like, oh, we have to select the static mesh, sorry. And we go here and we add that one here. This is a static mesh. Just want to check whether my GitHub is picking up or not. Yes, it does. It is picking up. So this is all good. Now, the last thing which we have to do is we go to our third person blueprint item, and we have pants. So now for the pants, we are gonna go to our viewport. We'll go to our Orochi or whatever it is. We go to our meshes and we find him a pant. Yeah, this is a good one. Yeah, now I can make this a static mesh. Again, guys, you guys can use your own thing. Like, yeah, the world is your oyster here. We can no, we need to save this as pants underscore sm. So we go to our static mesh here, and we just click on the pants, and we first compile all of them, and we go to our third person blueprint item, and our pants. We go here and we just select, oh sugar, no, you can just type here pants, p-a-n-t-s, pants, and it has appeared. So these are the three things we have for now. Let's compile and save it. Now, as always, after creating an item blueprint for our pants, for our gloves, and for our the armors we created. Now, after creating our boots, our gloves, and for our pants item, we are gonna capture those things. We are gonna go to our icon creator. We are gonna create some new icons. We are gonna go here and we'll just change it with. First, let's do pants. That's what I'm able to think. Top of my mind, and yeah, can adjust some lightings. Yeah, that looks brilliant, to be honest. We can compile and save it, and now we have this, and now after this we can create the static texture. Now as we have the static texture, we click on this and we just change the alphas to 0 and this one to 1. That's it, simple as it is. We then go to our we need to name this as, we will name this as pants. We'll just move it there. Now we go and change the pants with probably gloves we have here at the moment, arms and gloves here. So we go down here like that. Maybe it's gonna look nice and cool if it's like a half shown thing. I don't know, just thinking out loud, man. Yeah, probably that's better. Can work upon the light in a bit. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Now we go here and we create a static texture. Again, what we do is we kind of change the values here and we compile and save it. We go to our first of course we change the name, TEX. We will name this gloves, and yeah, and this can be, now the last thing which we have is the boots, I think so. Yeah, that's all I have left. The boots can be brought a bit more, can be given a bit more of attention, you see, which is fair. It seems like it did the job it needs to do. So yeah, yeah, that's perfect. Looks nice and brilliant. And now we go to our this one. We create a static texture. We go to this one. We again same thing as always. And yeah, we compile and save it. And we also change the name of it. We name this as boots, and we kind of like toss it over here. Again, let me check my GitHub. Yeah, it looks brilliant. It is saving. It's just lately I had an issue with my GitHub, and I don't want to lose my project, you see. Now the next step after doing this, we are going to go to our, where is our enums? We go to our enums, and in our item name enum, we are going to add 3 more enumerators. So make sure the names are quite similar to, obviously it's not case sensitive, but it really kind of helps, you see. So we will name this as Armour pants. So, and this one is gonna be ARMOUR. No, this one is gonna be ARMOUR Armour. This, and the last one is going to be, as always, Armour boots. Armour BOOTS boots. So let's compile and save it. And so now we are going to go to our data table, which is our items DT. We are going to create again, we're going to create like 3 other new data tables where, again, be careful, the names needs to be as it is in this case. Oh, sugar. It needs to be as it is. So the Armour pants is going to be this, and we are going to name this as pants. And of course, it's now we are going to go here and we are going to go to the static mesh. We have our pants, PANTS pants, and the item icon we have PAN pants. Then, and it's going to go under legs. And our skeleton mesh, we have the skeleton mesh, by the way. The skeleton mesh is of course the Orochi one. Character mesh, skeleton mesh, the pants is gonna be here. And now the next thing again is going to be the gloves, and we will also just kind of same name it. We will also give this as gloves and static mesh GLOVE, and icon is gonna be GLOVE, and it's gonna be just hands at the moment. And we have a static mesh for this. The static mesh is gonna be the arms. And now lastly we have boots, which is just gonna be this, boots. We will just find boots. We will also find boots, and we'll go to the legs, and we also have, yeah, that's the one, and it's gonna attach this to this. Now let's compile and save it. So now let's compile and save everything. Let's just save everything. Let's finger cross and check whether everything is working or not. What we can do is we can just create few other duplicates and see whether they're working or not. In this case, I will choose Armour pants. In this case, I will choose Armour gloves, and here I will choose boots. So now let's give it a try. Oh, they went down because I think so we forgot one thing. I think so this is a learning lesson for us why it happened. So we are just gonna go click on them, and that's also one reason now you can see why skeleton mesh is not here. So we are gonna add Auto Convex Collision, apply, let it do its thing, and Auto Convex Collision, apply, let it do its own thing again. Same thing again, Auto Convex Collision, let's apply it down. And let's compile all of these and see. And look, everything is working. I'll select all of them, select, and I will select. Let's see. And boots, and at last helmet. Oh, look, not gonna lie, I look brilliant. Obviously, not the, yeah, but it is working very well. So that's a victory for us all here. Oh, there is a bit of an issue. Let's see what's going on in the data table. In our legs, Yeah, so we had an issue here. Uh, oh, okay. So under the legs, it is. Oh, so we'll put this under feet, and this will come under legs. Yeah. So that was one issue which we were facing. Let's give it a try. So let's get this. Let's get this. Get this. Get this. Oh. So for the leg is leg, for hands is hand, for feet is feet. Uh, I think so. We need to again refresh them. Armor, boots. Let's just click on this and just try it. Uh, yes, it's just a bit of a silly bug we were facing. So let's just add our own things and see. Like, yeah. So here are our weapons and all we have. So far, this is working, and that's how you equip yourself.